Yes, I don't want to jump off the bed, put it by my best self, and knock on your door with heart in my hand. So I should caress you, and knock on your door with heart in my hand. So I should caress you, 'cause I know that you're not passionate. Together we're tired for the rest of our lives. Say yes, say yes, 'cause I need to know. Say you never get your blessing till the daylight turns out like that. But the answer is no. But why you gotta be so rude? But don't you know human too? But why you gotta be so rude? And then choice, can't live without her. The love in your ring, or we will be boys standing at the altar. We'll run away, and soon I'm gonna say no. You know she's in love with me, but she'll go anywhere. Can't live time for the rest of our lives. Say yes, yes, I need to know. Say you never get your blessing till the daylight dies all on my bed. That's where we start. Why you gotta be so rude? And don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway, marry that girl. Marry her anyway, marry that girl. No matter what you say, marry that girl. There will be a final way. Say yes, 'cause I need to know. Say you'll never get your blessing till I die.